A bright 4-bedroom multi-level brick backsplit nestled in a quiet and well-established neighbourhood of Toronto's West Hill community. Welcome to 73 Gardentree Street. With additional driveway parking to complement the single-car garage, through the covered front entrance is a foyer with double coat closet, inviting you into an open-concept main level. The L-shaped entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms are finished with hardwood flooring, have crown moldings, and large north-facing windows for soft natural lighting. A half-wall separates the foyer from the living room, while readed glass interior and exterior windows above the shelves and on the east wall allow for more light while offering semi-privacy. The dining room has wood-paneled walls and a ceiling fan, and for entertaining convenience, a French door entry into the kitchen. A bright, open working space with a walkout onto a wooden walkway leading to the backyard, the kitchen features a stone counter with an extra deep, double-sized stainless steel undermount sink, a huge east-facing window, ample cabinetry storage, and appliances. And its cozy breakfast area is finished with wood wainscoting. The stairs to both the upper and lower levels have hardwood treads and railings, with the upper level featuring hardwood flooring in the hallway and in the 2 bedrooms, a hallway linen closet and ceiling fan, as well as a 4-piece washroom. And both bedrooms have large south-facing windows and double closets, while the first bedroom also features a separate storage closet. This home is close to many family-oriented and community amenities, such as the Heron Park Community Centre and Arena, the Ken Moorish Softball Complex, the Scarborough Golf and Country Club, the Morningside branch of the Toronto Public Library, Scarborough Health Network Centenary Hospital, the Toronto Pan Am Sports Centre, and numerous neighbourhood parks, including the nearby East Point and Grey Abbey waterfront parks, as well as the Guild Inn Estate, all 3 which have extensive walking trails. The lower level is also finished with hardwood flooring and additionally features above-grade south-facing windows, a linen closet, a 4-piece washroom with tiled finishes, and 2 bedrooms with double closets. With 4 bedrooms in total, this is a wonderful home for growing families, with Eastview Public School and St. Martin de Porres Catholic Elementary School within walking distance, and the home is also within the catchment area of Sir Wilfrid Laurier Collegiate Institute, as well as St. John Paul II Catholic Secondary School, while French immersion programs are offered at William G. Miller Public School, Poplar Road Junior Public School, Charles Gordon Senior Public School, Cardinal Leger Catholic Elementary School, Cedar Brae Collegiate Institute, and St. John Henry Newman Catholic High School. Bringing additional living and utility space to the home, the basement level features a workshop with access to crawl space storage, a combined furnace and laundry room, as well as a large recreation area with a bar. And this home's backyard is fully fenced, has a huge deck stretching across its width, as well as plenty of play and gardening space. TTC service is just steps from the home. The Guildwood GO station is a 5-minute drive. The Morningside Crossing Shopping Plaza is both a short walk or car ride, very convenient for groceries and much more, while campuses for Centennial College and the University of Toronto, as well as access to Highway 401, are less than a 10-minute drive away.